Today's at-home workout is a 10-minute cardio. So this one, you need no equipment. All the moves are standing. It is a low-impact cardio workout, but it's still going to get your heart rate up. You are still going to be burning calories. You are still going to be doing the most important thing of all, strengthening your heart. So we have got 10 moves. I'm going to be doing them with you in real time. What I would say is if you haven't already done a warm-up, simply press that pause button, march on the spot for say 20 seconds. Then when you're ready, I'm ready to give you a really fun 10-minute cardio workout. So here's a preview of move 1. For this, we are just going to do 4 knee lifts, and then you just step back, couple of steps back, and then again 4 knee lifts, and we're just traveling that forwards and backwards, as simple as that. So we're going to get straight into it right now. So let's go for doing those walk forwards, and now 4 knee lifts for me, and then just travel that back, and again 4 knee lifts. So this is move 1. So if you just carry on doing this, let me explain to you how today's workout is going to work. So we have got 10 cardio moves that we're going to be doing, and once we've done the 45 seconds you will have a preview of the next move. So that is your recovery time. It's approximately 15 seconds, so you could march on the spot. If you want to keep that intensity up, you can do a light jog, or you can go straight into the next move. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. So we've got another 10 seconds on this move. And this is all about increasing your heart health. 3, let's go 2 and 1. So you choose now what you do while I'm showing you your next move. So your next move, we're going to be doing 4 squats and then 4 punches. So if you just get ready, come into position for me now, and let's go for 4 power punches and give me those 4 squats. That's good. And now give me those 4 power punches. Punch really hard. That's good. And with this one, if you want to make it a little bit harder, then simply make that squat deeper. And when you're punching, punch up higher. All right, that's it. Keeping that going. So again, this one, we've got last 20 seconds coming up from now. Then you have your recovery time when I'm showing you the next move. That's good. And just make sure when you're doing those squats that you're keeping those knees behind the line of your toes. And again, power squats, nice control. And let's just get ready to finish off with 4 really powerful punches. All right, so march it out. You do what you want. Here's your recovery time. But next move coming up, we're going to do a lateral side step, and we're just going to use the arms. We're going to take them down, middle, and then up. So let's get ready. And let's take the arm down, down, and now middle, middle, and then above, above. Keep that going. So we're going down, down, middle, middle, and above, above. That's it. So it's a lateral side step with this one. And again here, what this is, it's a multi-compound move. So it just means we're working all the muscles through your body. So it's a total body workout. And don't forget, this is from my Boost Your Heart Health Challenge. It's completely free. I've created a free little ebook with a training guide, tick chart, everything you need. And you can find it in the link in my description down below to this video. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. So we've got last 5 seconds coming up from now. 3, take it 2 and 1. So here's your recovery time. March, jog, do whatever you want, or you can get straight into the move when you're ready. So the next one we're going to do is we're going to kick the leg up and step the opposite foot back. All right, so with this one here, we'll change halfway through. So let's get ready, and now kick that leg in front, step the other behind, in front, step behind, keeping that going. And with this one here, it's also really good to just really engage those core muscles. So keep that tummy muscle pulled in nice and tight, and that's going to really help strengthen through your midsection as well. All right, that's it. And kick in front, step that back, kick in front. Let's change legs now, opposite leg. So now we're leading with the opposite one. So we kick it in front, step the other one back. That's good. And keeping that going. So we've got last 10 seconds coming up from now on this move. And let's count you down. 5, and let's go 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. So either march, jog, or get straight into the next move that you see coming up. So for this one, we're doing hamstring curls. We're doing 4 on each leg, and we're adding a shoulder pull down as well. So if you just get ready with this one, so we'll come into position, so we're in a wide stance, and let's take arms up and go for 4. And then we're going to change it to 4. Let's go 3, 2 and 1. Other leg. 4, 3, 2 and 1, and just keep that going. So you can see on the right, you can see your timer bar that represents your 10-minute workout, and so you can see how far we are into this workout already, keeping that going. And so what we're doing here by adding the arms above the head then really challenges your heart to work a little bit harder. This is where it's really good for boosting your heart health, and just keeping that going. All right, we've got last 10 seconds. And let's go last 5, take that 4, 3, 2 and 1. So just march it out, jog that, and next move coming up. So this one here, just imagine you are running up a ladder, and then we're just going to do circling arms as if you are skipping. So we're doing sets of 6 of these. So just do a light little heel raise. So we're taking the arms up as if you're climbing up a ladder, and now get ready to do big arm swings just as if you are using a skipping rope, and just keep alternating from one to the other. So it's not quite a jog. What we're doing here with the feet, we're just doing heel raises, and that's good, and just keeping that going. And then just alternating again, because we're taking those arms above heart level. This is how I'm working your cardiovascular system. So we're really increasing your heart health, your lung capacity. All right, that's good. And we've got 10 more seconds. And let's just get ready for those last 5. Let's take that 4, go 3, 2 and 1. All right, so again, you can march on the spot if you want to. You can do a light jog on the spot while you're just looking at the next move, or you can come straight into position. So this one, split stance, we're just going to drive that knee up and back and just use the arms. So take one foot behind, arms in front, and now just pull that knee in. That's good. And I will let you know halfway through, because we'll change onto the other leg. So this one here, it's a quick knee drive up. And again, with this one, this is really good for working the core. You're also really helping strengthening the standing leg that we're working on. It's great for your balance. This is where I said this workout really is going to improve every aspect of your health, your fitness. Change legs for me, drive that up. That's good. So we've got last 20 seconds. Doing really well. And definitely come and find me on Facebook. I mean, I'm on TikTok, Instagram, but do come and let me know how you are getting on with your training. All right. And let's just go for those last 5 seconds. 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. So next move, that was Cat there that just ran past the bottom of the screen. So next move coming up is we're going to do punches in front, and then we're going to do a kick. And each of these we're going to do for 4 counts. All right, so when you're ready, let's come into position and let's go for doing 4 punches. And now give me those 4 kicks. That's good. So we're just alternating from one to the other. So it's heel raises, and then it's that kick with then straight arms as we bend them down. So we're going to punch for 4, then we just do those straight arms, and then take that again, 4 punches. All right, that's good. Doing really well, and we've nearly finished today's workout, so let's just keep going just to the end. And let's just go for those last 10 seconds from now. And always make sure with this move as well, it's important, keep that upper body nice and straight for me. 2 and 1. Okay, so remember, you just carry on. This is your recovery time. Let me just show you the next move. So for this one, we're going to do 4 skaters lunges, and then we do 4 controlled basic squats. So we're just going to alternate from one to the other. So if you just get ready to come into position for me, and let's start with that skater's lunge. Take it for 4 and go 3, 2 and 1. Then give me the 4 basic squats. Nice control. 2, 1. That's good. And 1 more. And then take that 4. Let's go 3, 2 and 1. And always make sure those knees don't come over the line of the toes for me. And then that skater's lunge, when you're doing it, really exaggerate that move. And this one here is really lovely. This little sequence at working near enough every single muscle in your body. And we're also working different planes of motion. So we're doing a little bit of a twist, and we've got that lateral move as well as doing that forwards and backwards. All right, that's good. And let's go last 3, 2 and 1. So we're going to have some fun on your final move, because I'm going to let you choose. So you've got 2 options here. You've either got the ladder run, and you've got your skipping arms, or you can do the punching and the leg kicks. So it's completely your choice. So just pick your move. So this is the last 45 seconds. Also, you could just do some crazy dancing if no one is watching. Let's just keep going. We've got now those last 35 seconds of really strengthening your heart, boosting your energy levels, just making you feel fantastic. Let's have last little bit on here. Keeping that going, doing really well. So if you're doing it on the left, we're doing those pretend skipping arms. So we're crossing over, and then we're doing those ladder climb arms. So we're just running up as if you're running up a ladder. If you're doing it on the right, we're doing those leg kicks. And then we're also doing those power punches in front. But you are so nearly done. Let's go last 3, take that 2 and 1. Well done, there is your high five. What I'd like you to do for me is just carry on marching just until that timer stops, just so we can get that heart rate back down. And really well done with today's workout. So what is important at the end of the video, I'm going to leave you a link in the corner that you click on, that you come over and do a full cool down stretch with me. Stretching just really helps to realign those muscles and helps prevent injuries. So if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, definitely subscribe, and I will see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.